You're special.
I need the short bus special.
Oh boy. You married me, that's probably why.
Amish is what Amish does, right?
Full hookups this weekend.
Take two that Mike doesn't know where he's at.
I never know where we are.
Yeah.
But it is a 50th birthday party here at the Mount Gilead KOA
Yes.
for Rick, our friend.
Yeah.
He's right there. It was a surprise party that he knew about. I don't know how that all works, but somehow
He figured it out.
he figured it out. He's a
Yeah.
smart guy. So there's going to be a lot of people here. We're going to have a lot of fun, and it's probably going to be crazy. So. So in 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday! Rick, happy birthday.
No, we did not make it.
No, sweet girl. That's sweet. Hi, Red.
Morning. Looks like it's going to be a beautiful day today. We had a good time last night hanging out around 4 solo stoves they had going.
There was, I gotta show a picture of it, but there was one that was really big.
Yeah, this massive solo
They
stove.
made one that big.
It took like 5 bundles of wood just to fill it.
Yeah, it was pretty big.
But it got a little chilly last night for a summer camping evening, so it was nice to have the stoves out.
This has been perfect weather.
Yeah, there was so many people around the fire and just a lot of good conversation.
Everybody's here camping. There are more people coming in today that are not camping. They're just coming for the
Just visiting.
lunch or dinner and yeah, just visiting. But yeah, had a good time, but we didn't film hardly anything,
I filmed a little, but
but not a lot. And
it's just you're meeting so many new people,
yeah,
and
just to throw a camera up in their faces, some people
yeah,
don't
it's
like
kind of
it,
weird.
So kind of get the feel for the crowd kind of thing and go from there.
Right, so
We're out
today,
exercising demons right now.
yeah, we got to at least walk it off.
Yeah.
Today, Amy has a catered dinner for everybody. I don't know what's going on all day, so we're just going to have some fun. We may hit the pool and just enjoy this campground. So, all right, we'll see you in a bit. All right, so we came to the Cardinal Cafe. I just had biscuit and gravy. Joni had a bowl. The thing is, they turned this place into some sort of a shopping center.
It's like a farmer's market, but inside of their own shop.
It's not. I mean, it's not really a farmer's market though, because I mean, you see a lady back here just putting up stuff she knitted.
It's macrame.
Or macrame, Joni says. I don't know the difference, honestly. Just a little odd, in my opinion.
Well, I think it's cute. It's kind of draws people in. You get your coffee, and then you can do a little shopping, kind of like a little mini farmer's market, but a lot of women would like this.
Not a lot of men. A lot of men wouldn't like this. It just makes it very odd to sit and eat while people are shopping around you. It hasn't really opened yet, so that's helpful.
I think it's very creative.
Anyway, we got food. That's all that matters.
This KOA has a beautiful pool We're gonna go get into it this time because the first time we came here, we didn't even see the pool. Well, we saw the pool, but
we didn't
use the
swim.
pool.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go head over there, jump in the pool for a few minutes, and just relax.
We'll go and display some water.
It's pretty much what it is.
Hey, so the pool was quite refreshing, actually. It was a little chilly at first, but it felt good because it's a very hot day today. Beautiful weekend though for weather.
It's time to leave once the bubble machine got done with the kiddos.
Yeah, we got overrun.
Came back into the pool.
We got overrun.
Yeah.
So I guess lunchtime they're catering a barbecued lunch for the party.
More people are going to start showing up too.
Yeah. We got cornhole set up over here. And yeah, it's just been a good time. So we hope Rick enjoys his 50th birthday weekend. How's that?
We're going to take you guys over here. Rick was telling us about a campsite called the Presidential Site. And then they have a Vice Presidential site too, but not as nice as this one. So I'll take you guys over here and give you a little bit of a tour of what this site offers when you rent it here. They had just a year ago, they didn't have these sites right here on the very ends. They have these pull-throughs so the front of your camper faces this field. There's one up here, and then there's one
so your
beyond
campside has a view of the field, which is a pretty nice view.
Oh yeah,
Trees.
and you're in the very back. It's nice and quiet. All right, where this momentum is, this is the Presidential Site. The site comes with a little tiki hut with patio furniture, pretty sure washer, dryer, golf cart. You get a dog pen, like a dog little run area. All comes with that for whatever site fee that is. Full hookup, of course. TV, yeah. Yeah, so pretty. That's it. We don't want to bother them too much. Okay, this has a concrete pad for your camper too, so that's nice. Then they got a little outside fire ring, your dog pen. There's like a private, I think, trail that takes you back to the other trails. So they did this one up really nice. All that little putting green. They're also getting ready to put in what was that called? Park ball. It's a little bit.
Golf, but for kickers.
Yeah, and it's bigger balls.
Yeah, bigger ball, one club, 18 holes. You just use one club to get that bigger ball around and into a cup.
Yeah, I'm interested to come back and play that. So a few of us came down to the KOA. It has like a bar area that you can get food, but they also do adult bingo. So we're gonna play adult bingo tonight. Handful of us are down here to do that. Mike stayed back at the camper, so I'm gonna share that stuff with you guys. How much? 15 or 17. She made her money back.
Hell yeah. Smiles.
1, 2, 3.
I'm doing so bad, I'm gonna go change out my boards. They're awful. My new boards. Will I be successful? Doubt it, but let's see. And if you can believe this, Stephanie wins twice. She's cheating.
Happy birthday, dear.
Oh man!
Happy birthday to you.
just going to give him the spanking stat.
That's Amy.
A big fella over there.
That's her job. 50th birthdays are tough. You're past middle age, but yet you have so much life to live. We had the privilege to share in celebrating Rick's 50th birthday at the campground where he and Amy are full-time. We ate together, shared stories together, and enjoyed several fires. The friends that gathered to celebrate with Rick and Amy included retired firefighters, police, and state patrol, all of which are people who serve others. Rick himself is an EMT and Amy a nurse. Incredibly service-minded people. It's amazing to meet so many people whose first thoughts aren't of themselves, but rather of others. The old saying that the measure of a man isn't the amount of money he makes or the toys he has, but it's in the lives he touches is so true. Happy 50th, Rick, and happy glamping.